To add references in LaTeX Overleaf, start by creating a new project or opening an existing one. If creating a new project, click on New Project and choose a blank project. Then name it, for example, Reference. Once the project is created, delete any unnecessary text and make a few blank lines. Next, click on New File and give it a name, followed by the extension .bib. This is crucial, as the file will not work without it. After creating the file, open a website or database, such as Google Scholar. To find the article or reference you want to cite, search for the article, then click on the Cite or Bib Text option, which will open a new page with the citation code. Copy this code, then go back to your Overleaf project and paste it into the .bib file. After saving the .bib file, return to the main project and write a line where you want to insert the reference. To cite the reference, use the # symbol, \, followed by cite and the references key in brackets. The # symbol can be inserted by holding down the Alt key and typing 921 on the numpad, or by looking up the method for your specific keyboard. Once you've added the citation, click on it and press Enter to create a new line. Then, a few lines below, type another # followed by bibliography and click on the bibliography option. This will allow you to select the reference you just added. To complete the process, go to the line above the bibliography and type another # followed by bibliography style. Click on this option and type plain in the brackets. Finally, click Recompile to see the reference added to your document. The reference will appear at the bottom of the page, and you can now use this method to add references to your LaTeX Overleaf project.